Hi guys, this video is to show how to change your BMW F10 wipers. So as you can see, it does not come off because it is tucked underneath, and if you want to change, there's very little room to work with. So in that case, you will have to put your wipers into service mode so that you can change your wipers. In order to do that, we'll have to go inside the car, just tap it once and then tap it off again, like swipe up the wiper and hold it for 5 seconds. Now your wiper is in the service position. Once you have it in the service position, it's very easy to change. Just hang it on the side, twist it and pull.